This is video for machine connection. This is the controller for blowing machine. When you receive, you just put the socket. Okay. Socket for electricity. Another socket for HMI. It's a signal cable. And this is a preform elevator. Preform elevator. Put like this. Just connect this cable. Connect the motor cable. This is a sensor for preform. This is another two cable for the running motor. This is signal cable here. Two machine is same. This is the high pressure, the tube in light, high pressure. This is the chiller water, 2 chiller water in, 2 chiller water out. Okay, it's very simple. Connect your chiller. And this is for low pressure air in light. No need to use for your machine, because you only connect the high pressure. Inside the machine have a air regulator, can make the high pressure to low pressure, so keep it close. And this is for the yellow one. This is the draw air, release air. Have some small tank inside, release air. This is the high pressure release. When you get the machine, just connect this electricity. ABC cable, enough. Okay? It's very easy. This is the air blower. You take out air blower, can change the mode. Very easy.